Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adela. You can call me Dels. Alright, without wasting your time, I don't want to make this video too long. Let's just head to the chart and see and last week. This is our regular market analysis as usual. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, Aussie JPY right here. If you check my previous video, I told you guys Aussie JPY on the daily time frame is still in an uptrend. If you want to take trade Aussie JPY, you should be looking to buy. Looking at the chart right now on Aussie JPY, you can see price is kind of filling a fair value gap right here on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, price has broken this resistance that was holding it back last week. You can see a bullish close to the upside, even though this close is not a significant, break. It's not a significant break, but we can still see it as a break because a bullish candle close above it, and now, in my point of view, I feel like price is kind of retracing to this area right here in order to take a buy to the upside. Okay, so if you want to be taking a buy on Aussie JPY, look around to buy around here, around this area here. Stop loss might be right here, like 75.722 or 700. Then take profit might be like around 98.521 or 520. Okay, so that's it for Aussie JPY. The next pair we're looking at is the Euro card. Now, something interesting happened on Euro card last week. Just remove this trend line because I don't think this trend line is relevant anymore. Now, remember I told you guys last week that if I see a break of structure right here, we should be expecting a change of direction in Euro card. Fortunately for us, I was thinking that the support zone on Euro card right here is going to break to the downside, but unfortunately it didn't. Instead, it came to test this most recent lower high right here, and now it's giving us a retracement to the downside. And if you can see on the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame is giving like a higher high and a higher low trend on the 1 hour time frame, even though it is still within this range. Even though price is still within this range, price is still within this range, but yet it's still giving a higher high and a higher low. So throughout last week, price was just kind of giving a uptrend, a higher high and a higher low on the 1 hour time frame last week. So the support, the resistance, level right here has been tested. And what I'm looking forward to Euro card right now is to probably see a break of this resistance to the upside. Okay, this can be regarded as kind of a supply zone, if I can say a supply zone or a support level. But either way, if we can see this resistance, but either way, if you can see this resistance break to the upside and we see a bullish candle close above it, then we should be expecting a retracement back to kind of like maybe 50% retracement back to this move before price now begin to gear towards the upside one more time. And mind you, there is a fair value gap right here. FVG, there's an imbalance right here. So imbalance tends to attract price. So I'm expecting this imbalance to attract price to the upside. So which means price is going to be attracted to this imbalance and move to the upside. Then after we see that happen this coming week, we'll just have to wait to see what Eurocard have for us. Maybe it will continue to this upside right here to 1.50 1.5000 zone right there. Okay, but for now, let's just be watching this. On the 1 hour time frame is giving a higher high and a higher low vibe. Okay, as you can see by this move right here, the high, low, high, and a higher low. Now it has retested this resistance level. It has tested it and it's coming back to retest and created another higher low right here. Okay, now probably there's a probability that this resistance is going to break to the upside. Price is going to break this resistance to the upside, and once price break this resistance to the upside, we can now legally say that okay, there is a bullish momentum on Eurocard. Okay, so if price breaks to the upside, then I'll be expecting price to retrace, then continue the upward direction and probably fill up this uh, imbalance right here. Let me put the triangle. Okay, yeah. So price is probably going to break this resistance to the upside, close above it, come back to retest, then continue to the upside to attract to mitigate this imbalance that is right here. So that's what I'm looking forward to Eurocard next week. And if that happens, then probably price might continue to the upside and test this all-time high. Okay, and if it doesn't, it might probably go back down and you know give us some bearish momentum to the downside. But for now, this is what I'm looking towards on Eurocard. Price breaking this resistance to the upside, coming back to retest it, then boom. Might probably take a buy from here, then boom to the upside to mitigate this imbalance right here. So the next pair we're looking at is pound USD. Yeah, pound USD also did something interesting last week. Right? This is a support zone right here, and besides, it's giving us a double bottom right here. Price has not broken this yet, and price is still respecting this trend line. Price is still respecting the trend line, so I should be expecting a continuation of an upward move, a bullish momentum on pound USD for next week. And remember, this fair value gap is yet, this supply zone is yet to be tested. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, let's go there. Okay. This supply zone at this area is yet to be tested, so there's a higher probability that price is going to continue the uptrend to the upside to test this supply zone at 1.29 1.29600, around that zone right there. Yeah, 1.29600. And looking at it on the 1 hour time frame, this is where we were last week. And so price came down, mitigate this fair value gap right here, went up, came back to test this level, and has just been dancing around the range. Price still hasn't been able to break past this resistance right here. Still hasn't been able to break past this resistance, but yet price is still respecting the trend line and is still giving us um, uh, a high an uptrend, a bullish trend momentum. Judging by these lows right here, we have lows, we have a higher lows, we have another higher low, which is technically a double bottom right here. We have another higher low right here. Let me draw it. Yeah, double bottom. We have another higher low right here, and it's giving us another higher low right here. So there is a higher chance, okay, that this resistance is is also going to break. All right, there's a higher chance it's also going to break, judging by these momentums right here. Okay, so if you want to be taking a trade on pound USD, you should look forward to that. If you had the opportunity, you should have been in this trade by now, but I couldn't take the trade because my trading account is not yet uh, grown. I still don't have enough cash in my account to trade pound USD yet, but I'm looking forward to buy a prop firm next month. Hopefully, I get one. All right. So until then, let's just keep our head up high. All right. So if you wanted to take this trade last week, you could have taken a buy from here. I could have taken a buy stop right here and probably added more position at this area. Judging by this double bottom, once I saw this double bottom, I knew okay, price might probably respect this level since it's respecting the trend line and it's also giving us a higher highs and a higher lows. All right, a higher lows only. Okay, even though it is still within the range. All right, but still it's still giving us a bullish momentum. Okay, so that's it for pound USD. So pound USD is likely to break this resistance zone and come and mitigate this supply zone right here. Okay, so that's for pound USD. The next pair we're looking for is the USD JPY. Now, this is one pair that also got me interest and got interested. That move gave me an interesting move last week. Looking at this USD JPY, like I said last week, USD JPY was giving us a bearish momentum, a bearish trend. Judging by this trend line, as you can see, lower highs and lower lows, lower high and lower lows right here. Now, price has broken this most recent lower highs, which is telling us that the trend is shifting, right? Telling us that the trend is shifting. At least this is a very, very significant lower high. And price has broken into the upside, came back to retest, and now has broken this move right here, right? To give us another higher high right here. Initially, I was expecting price to retrace, give us a sorry guys. I was expecting price to give us a 50% Fibonacci retracement. Sorry guys. Alright, I was expecting price to give us, judging by the Fibonacci retracement right here, this retracement, I was expecting it to come back to retrace the either 50% fib zone or the 61.8% fib zone. But unfortunately, price didn't come back to the discount zone yet. Okay, price didn't come back to the discount zone, so I couldn't see a very good trade to take on USD JPY last week. But unfortunately, the price still went up and break this recent high right here. But I still have a strong feeling that price is still going to come down to retest this level, because this move might probably just be an inducement. Okay, and if you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, you will notice that there is a fair value gap right here. In that move, there is a fair value gap around that level. You can see, and price still did not mitigate that fair value gap before giving us this doji candle. Okay, so next week I have a strong feeling. Next week there is a probability that price is going to come down, mitigate this fair value gap, continue to the downside, and take out some stop losses that are here into the discount zone, because judging by the fib level that we just drew, you can tell from 143.200 downward is discount zone. Okay, so I don't think the price will want to continue the uptrend without taking price back down to the discount zone. All right, so I don't think so. So let's just wait for that, and if that didn't happen, I'm just going to let USD JPY go. Okay, and if we're going to be buying USD JPY, this is a very significant zone right here, a very significant zone. Price retested this as a support a few months ago, came down, broke it, and now retested it as a resistance. So a support that is now turned resistance. So this zone is a very strong zone. So if we're going to be seeing a bullish momentum right here, either in this fair value gap right here on the 1 hour time frame, or at the discount zone in this area, then we should be expecting price to continue to the upside to take out, to test this this significant zone right here. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys for this month, for this week. So I hope you get some ideas from these few trades that I just analyzed. I'm not going to be going into crude oil and gold for now, okay, because of time. I don't want to make this video too long. All right, so if you have any question as to what to expect in any of this pair that I just analyzed, please kindly pen it down in the comment section below. All right, so please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Okay, please guys, help me help my channel grow. Okay, I know I'm still growing. Okay, yeah, but it's not a bad idea if I share my thought process, my analysis, and my bias in the market with you guys here. It will also help every one of us go a long way. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, like this video so that this video can get to a lot of traders out there, and please comment. Okay, place your comments on the comment section down below, and also share the video. All right, please share the video. So thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video, and I'm going to see you next week. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.